Hi, this is Tani from Booredatwork.com, and welcome to the second part of our video review of the ZuneHD from Microsoft. And in this second review, we're going to be covering the web browser, which was a browser designed by the Internet Explorer team, but is not actually Internet Explorer, and works very, very well, very fast. Now, just a word of caution or warning: you shouldn't judge this browser speed with my present connection. My internet connection is a little slow, so you will notice that my browser uploading pages might take a little bit of time. But let's get into it and check it out. So you hit internet, you get into the browser. That browser shows up. So it's connecting to my wireless connection that's set that up automatically, and it's trying to bring up the page here. You probably saw the signal strength wasn't that strong, so therefore uploading pages might take a little bit of time, but it's just bringing up CNN. Now if you look at the browser, you can see it does upload the whole page. I set it up for actually full desktop view, so it gives you the full CNN page, not the mobile page. The browser has three icons at the bottom. It has a search. If you hit that, I'm just going to hit that again. That brings up search with Bing, so you can search Bing. You can search with Bing. You can search for anything you're looking for in Bing very quickly. So let's just get out of there. Sorry. I'm gonna just go out, hit search, and then at the bottom you have the star. You have a back button, and then you have those three dots. The star basically brings up your favorites. You can see also it has a translucent feel, so you can still see the browser at the bottom. I have my favorites saved here: ZuneTabs, TK, Booredatwork, the Zune website, and then at the top it allows you to basically add the current web page as a favorite. So it says add CNN. So I've already added CNN, but I can add that in there. So I'm gonna hit star to close that down. Now the ZuneHD comes with pinch zoom, so you can basically magnify and go into that. You can see basically this shows you the different articles closer. Very nice feature, and it does it very well, very effectively. I can switch mode, from portrait to landscape. That is the side button which I just hit, but which we'll talk about more of that later. But you can see, scrolling through. I'm gonna pinch out, show you the whole page. Now, it's displayed in landscape. You can see it. It scrolls through pretty fast. Scrolling is very smooth. So let's go into an article. Let me zoom in, and let's pick an article to go to. Why don't we pick the one with the Iraqi Prime Minister? The OLED screen allows for very smooth transition, so you don't accidentally click through devices or anything like that. I'm just gonna hit the article. Now it goes through. You can see that brings up a page. Again, a very smooth transition. Pinch zoom in so I can read the article better. I can blow it up to a very large scale. Let's see how far we can go, and then we can zoom out quickly. So we're going through the article. We see the article from the Iraqi spokesman, Blackwater, and stuff like that. Does a good job. Could go back. You see, and that's what the back button does. Now, let's just check out a different web page. So those three dots basically are your link to your address bar. So if you just slide that up, that brings up the address bar that says CNN, and then there's a refresh or stop button. Slide up again. I hit that little bar, and that brings up the address bar and keyboard. Now the keyboard is different. It has this very bump feel look to it, which for people like me who cannot use touchscreen keyboards well, it does a very good job. So I can actually just scan. I'm going to go to YouTube. So making sure that you get to the exact keys you're looking for. And we'll go to YouTube. Now let's see how it does with Flash, if there is Flash support for the device. So it brings up it brings up YouTube. You can see it's still loading the page, but let's pick the first video there and see what happens when we try to play a YouTube video. So we'll pick one of those videos and just pick that. I have no idea what that video is. Okay, so that's Perez Hilton on the view. So let's check that out. So it's gonna load that up in a second. As you can see, the ZuneHD doesn't support Flash yet. Just, showing you the page and showing you how it functions and how it works. But again, the browser does a very good job at basically, showing pages and bringing that up. So that it's a very basic browser. It does a very good job. That is the ZuneHD browser. I'm just gonna hit the back button, the home button, head out of here. As you can see, the transition there is fairly smooth. There's a little slowdown, but going out of apps like the browser or one of your many apps on the device does take some time. You can see the browser is on the history, so I can quickly from here just go back to the browser from history, and that brings that up. Of course, it goes back to portrait mode, which I was on, so whatever was last place. And I can get out of here again, hitting the home button, and that brings that up. Just to quickly show you one of the other cool things about the browser here is about the ZuneHD is also when you're powering down the device. So the power button's on top. I'm going to hold it down, and then to turn it off, you basically just slide your screensaver down. So I'm just going to slide it down. That turns off the device, and that turns off the ZuneHD. To power it up again, to show you the startup power screen, you hold the device down. So I'm just going to hold it. Now you can see the ZuneHD power up. It's fairly quick. Doesn't take too long to power up as a device, but shows you the ZuneHD logo. The bar comes up, and the device powers up. Shows you your time and your screensaver, which you can change. And we will show you on the next video. We'll cover music, pictures, videos, and the radio. So just basically the whole audio-visual look at the device. So that is the second part of our review covering the internet for the ZuneHD. If you have any comments or questions, let us know. Post it on our YouTube page. Subscribe to our YouTube page. Also leave you can leave comments. You can post video responses. Subscribe to our Twitter page, Booredatwork. Subscribe to our Facebook fan page, also Booredatwork, and let us know what you think. Leave us comments, and hopefully you enjoyed the review. Again, this is Thunder E from Booredatwork saying, always enjoy your entertainment. Thank you.